The Aerogogo Aerotent is feature an aerodynamic shape or design aimed at enhancing stability in windy conditions and reducing wind resistance during setup and use. This design might improve the tent's overall performance and durability in various weather conditions. To complement its aerodynamic design, the tent is made from lightweight yet durable materials such as high-quality nylon or polyester. This lightweight construction makes the tent easy to carry and set up, ideal for backpacking or camping trips where weight is a concern. This tent incorporates quick setup features such as pre-attached poles, color-coded clips, or a pop-up design, allowing users to pitch the tent quickly and easily without the need for extensive assembly instructions. The GIGA mattress and tent are features an integrated design where the mattress is built into or attached to the tent floor. This would provide a seamless and comfortable sleeping surface, eliminating the need to bring a separate mattress or sleeping pad. This tent features a built-in high-pressure air pump, allowing for effortless setup with a single button press. Offers ample space for 2 to 3 people, with dimensions of approximately 12.5 by 8.5 feet and a center height of 48.8 inches. Offer a spacious interior with enough room for occupants to move around comfortably. This would provide a more enjoyable camping experience, especially for longer trips. Both the mattress and tent components of the GIGA mattress and tent would likely be constructed from durable materials to withstand outdoor use and provide long-lasting performance in various weather conditions. The Campstream One is an innovative camping climate control system designed specifically for electric vehicles, EVs. It allows you to leverage your EV's powerful heating and air conditioning system to create a comfortable environment inside your tent, regardless of the weather outside. Heats or cools your tent using your EV's AC system, ensuring a comfortable temperature even in extreme weather conditions. Helps reduce humidity within the tent, promoting a more comfortable sleep and preventing condensation buildup. It controls the temperature and fan speed directly from your EV's smartphone app for convenient adjustments. It will help to extend your camping season by enabling comfortable stays in extreme temperatures. The GoSun Camp365 is a compact, all-in-one camping solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts who appreciate convenience and efficiency. It's essentially a portable camper that can be towed behind a vehicle, offering sleeping quarters, cooking facilities, and storage compartments all in one sleek package. It's equipped with solar panels that can charge the camper's batteries, providing power for lights, appliances, and other electronics without the need for traditional fuel sources like propane. The Nomad Grill is a portable and versatile outdoor cooking device designed for grilling, smoking, and other cooking methods. It's known for its compact size, durability, and ability to provide high-quality grilling experiences in various outdoor settings. The Nomad Grill is designed to be compact and easy to transport, making it ideal for camping trips, tailgating, picnics, beach outings, and other outdoor adventures. Its portable design allows users to bring the grill wherever they go and set it up quickly and easily. The grill offers versatile cooking capabilities, allowing users to grill, smoke, sear, and cook a wide range of foods. It typically features adjustable vents and dampers to control airflow and temperature, giving users precise control over their cooking process. The Powerfilm Lightsaver is a portable solar charger and power bank designed to provide convenient and renewable power for outdoor activities, emergencies, and everyday use. The Lightsaver is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry and transport. It's designed for on-the-go use, whether you're camping, hiking, or traveling. It features integrated solar panels that capture sunlight and convert it into electricity to charge its internal battery. This allows you to harness renewable energy to power your devices, even when you're off the grid. The Lightsaver includes a built-in rechargeable battery that stores the solar energy collected during the day. This battery can then be used to charge various devices, such as smartphones, tablets, cameras, and more, via USB ports. The Paxis Backpack is an innovative backpack designed with a unique feature called the arc swing technology. This technology allows the lower portion of the backpack to swing outwards, providing easy access to the contents stored in the lower compartment without having to take the backpack off. The Paxis Backpack is an innovative backpack designed with a unique feature called the arc swing technology. This technology allows the lower portion of the backpack to swing outwards, providing easy access to the contents stored in the lower compartment without having to take the backpack off. The backpack typically features multiple compartments and pockets for organizing gear and essentials. This helps users keep their belongings neatly arranged and easily accessible. Paxis backpacks are designed with comfort in mind, featuring padded shoulder straps, adjustable sternum straps, and a padded back panel to provide support during extended wear. The Ignik FireCan is a portable, all-in-one fire pit and grill designed for outdoor use. It's manufactured by Ignik, a company known for its innovative outdoor heating and cooking products. The FireCan is designed to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport and set up for outdoor gatherings, camping trips, or backyard cookouts. The FireCan serves as both a fire pit and a grill, providing versatility for different outdoor cooking needs. It features a removable cooking grate that allows you to grill food directly over the flames. The FireCan is designed to efficiently contain and distribute heat, providing warmth and ambience for outdoor gatherings. Its enclosed design helps minimize smoke and sparks, making it safer and more enjoyable to use in various settings. The FireCan is constructed from durable materials, such as stainless steel, to withstand the elements and frequent use outdoors. This ensures that it remains reliable and long-lasting, even in rugged environments. The Raptor boat's platform is a type of inflatable boat platform designed for fishing, hunting, and other outdoor recreational activities. Raptor Boats is a company known for manufacturing high-quality inflatable boats and related accessories, including platforms. The platform is designed to provide stability on the water, allowing users to stand and move around comfortably while fishing, hunting, or engaging in other activities. Raptor Boats platforms are typically constructed from durable materials such as PVC or Hypalon, which are resistant to punctures, abrasions, and UV damage. This ensures that the platform can withstand the rigors of outdoor use and provide long-lasting performance. The platform can be used in various outdoor environments, including lakes, rivers, ponds, and coastal waters. It's suitable for a wide range of activities, including fishing, birdwatching, photography, and wildlife observation. The STAKELIGHT is a product offered by the outdoor equipment and gear company, UCO. It is a combination tent stake and LED light designed to enhance visibility and safety at campsites. Features a built-in LED light at the top of the stake, providing illumination around the campsite. This can be particularly useful for navigating around the tent area at night, enhancing safety and convenience. STAKELIGHT is typically constructed from durable materials to withstand outdoor use and harsh weather conditions. This ensures that the stakes remain securely anchored in the ground and the lights continue to function reliably over time. Unlike traditional tent stakes, the STAKELIGHT features a built-in LED light, providing illumination around your campsite. The STAKELIGHT is designed to be easy to use, with a simple push-button operation to turn the light on and off or cycle through different light modes. This makes it convenient for setting up and using at the campsite.